Say hello to Protect America's Simon XTI5 control panel. The Simon XTI5 is the control center of your home security. It uses wireless technology to communicate important alerts to your family about intrusion, fire, carbon monoxide, and more. Our systems come pre-programmed, so all you have to do is plug it in. Monitor the perimeter of your home by integrating the Simon XTI5 with your door and window sensors. You can look after your home's interior spaces by connecting the control panel to your motion detectors. If someone or something trips a sensor in your home, the alarm panel will activate and sound an alarm. If you fail to disarm the panel within the set entry or exit delay time, the panel will contact your 24/7 central monitoring station, allowing the appropriate authorities to be notified. Are you having an emergency? Quickly alert the central monitoring station by using the fast action keys on your control panel. Did you know you can control your panel without being nearby? Just use a key fob, touchpad, or even an Amazon Alexa to control your home while in remote locations. If you are using cellular or broadband security monitoring from Protect America, you can conveniently use our mobile application to control your home for free. This includes arming and disarming your system, controlling your lights, locks, thermostat, and more. Interested in finding out more about your Simon XTI5 control panel? For more information and to watch related videos, visit myprotectamerica.com.